Meaning of electoral college.
Electoral college.
Electoral college.
Electoral college.
Electoral college. The Electoral College is a body of representatives chosen by the people of each state in the United States to elect the president and vice president. Each state has a number of electors equal to the total of its members in the Senate and House of Representatives. The candidate who receives a majority of electoral votes, at least 270 out of 538, is elected to the presidency. This system was established by the Constitution to balance the interests of smaller and larger states. It has been criticized for allowing the possibility of a candidate winning the presidency while losing the popular vote.